My name is Lynn Pike, and I'm assistant professor and chef instructor at the Academy of Culinary Arts. I also currently serve as department chairperson. So in college, a department chairperson manages and organizes the department. Some of my responsibilities include coordinating your class schedules, working directly with students who are interested in obtaining their associate degree, as well as working with the American Culinary Federation, or the ACF, so that our school can maintain its accreditation and many, many more things. You would come to me if you were having difficulty in a class or with an assignment or an instructor, along with any student issues and questions you might have. I also can help you find tutors, note takers, and any other services you may need. However, one of my biggest and also favorite responsibilities is making sure every student has a successful and positive experience here. Before I began my teaching career at IUP, I worked in the industry for more than 20 years. I started as an apprentice and worked my way into different positions, including executive sous chef and executive chef. I have also earned 2 master's degrees from IUP, and one of my favorite family traditions include making homemade pizzas for my son and his friends. In my spare time, I like to garden. I like to pick vegetables and fruit. We do a lot of jams and jellies, things like that. And I also bring that back to the students, and we usually have a seminar sometime in the summer where I go into how to make all these kind of old-fashioned scratch things with the students, and sometimes we go pick berries and bring them back and actually teach the students how to do canning and food processing. It's a lot of fun, and we get a chance to do something outside of school together. Thank you for watching this video. On behalf of all the faculty and staff here at IUP, we look forward to working with you soon.